What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can detect faces from the image using OpenCV library. So let's begin. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Let's open my code and show you what I am exactly talking about. Main.py. Okay. Python main.py. Wait for some time. Here you can see the algorithm has detected my face in this rectangular box, so you can do the same with your image. So how can we do that? Let's close this project, and for that you need this XML file. Let me show you what is this XML file. Here you can see, here we have some pre-written codes which is used to detect faces. Here you can see, to download this you can check the description link, copy, and let me paste in the folder. Yep. Okay, here you can see. Now let me open my Visual Studio Code and let's remove this code. Okay, so now the first step is to import the cv2 library, and then let's create a variable. Okay, one more thing is, guys, if you have followed my previous tutorial, then only you can do this. I have taught you every basic thing you need to know about the image processing in the OpenCV library, so make sure you check that. And let's create a variable now, and in this variable we will store the image name, image read, then name of the image. What's the name of the image? Photo dot jpg. Let's now, what's the next step is, you have to import this file. Here you can see in this main file. For that, what you can do is, let's create a variable name image, and it is a cascade, so we name it at image cascade. CASCADE equals to then cv2 dot, and then cascade classifier. Yep, here it is. And then we will give the path. For that, let me just copy the name. It's a very big name, that's why. Okay, where is that file? Here it is. And now let me just pass here the file name. It's an XML file. And after that, guys, you have to convert this image. Here you can see my this image into a gray image. So how can we do that? For that, you have to create a variable gray image equals to cv2 dot cvt convert color, and then you have to pass the image whose color you want to change, and then cv2 dot color name, to which color you want to convert. We want to convert it to gray, that's why we'll choose color color, then blue green red to gray. That's the variable. And then what we have to do is create a new variable face equals to it is used to detect the face, not this one. We want to import this variable first, because all the objects which can detect the image face in the image is present in this file. That's why we will import this image cascade. What's happening? Yep, image cascade dot detect multiscale. Here you can see, and now here we have to pass the image name. So we want this gray image. So for that, what you have to do is gray image. Then we have to choose a scale factor. What is scale factor? Scale factor is just an accuracy by which the program will detect the face. So I will recommend you to use 1.1. After that, guys, we have to use another method called min neighbor. What it does is that, suppose the this scale factor have detected the face, and this min neighbor method will then take some neighbor pixels by which accuracy you want to detect the image. So I will show you when the image will be detected successfully, but for now we will use 8. Then after that, guys, what you have to do is type a for loop. Oops. For we will create a, let me just show you what we are doing till now. I'm sure you are confused. Simply we'll print this face, and let me just run this file, python main.py. Let's see what we get. Oops. Okay, it's running the old folder. Okay, guys, let's try that again. Python main.py. Okay, we got here 4 values. Here you can see this and this. So what is that? So it is an point in the image. Let me show you the image first. So guys, let me take the pencil here. So the first point is here, this pixel, and then the second point, which is this, and it is here. Third is here, and fourth is here. Here you can see it has detected the face, but it is just showing us the numbers, the pixel value on which the face has been detected. So we don't want this. So what we can do is, we have to create a variable here now that detect the image. Let me just clear this out, and now we will convert this into a rectangular image. For that, you need to use a for loop. For we have 4 values, that's why we will use x, y, z, and the other one might be a. Okay, then we use in face, and now let's name the variable detect image equals to cv2 dot rectangular. We have rectangle here, and type in the image name which you want to detect. We can do like this. We can pass simply this image, or we can pass this gray image also. Okay, let's try with this image. Then we have to type the point's name. So the first 2 values which we got here, first is the x variable, second is the y variable. So